Being highly visible under both day and nighttime conditions is an essential requirement in many situations. While the hazards may be common to many professions, the working environments where high visibility garments are worn are extremely varied. This is represented in the different designs of high visibility clothing currently available, ranging from vests used by warehouse operatives to water-resistant jackets and trousers worn by highway maintenance workers or railway engineers. The standard provides for two performance parameters. When combined, these parameters are used to show the classification of the garment in question, so you will see descriptions such as EN 471 Class 3 2. The first number is the X parameter and the second number is determined by the Y parameter. The X parameter is the surface amount of fluorescent and retroreflective material, or in other words the amount of tape and reflective material used on a garment. This is rated in 3 levels or classes, with level 3 being the highest classification and level 1 the lowest. The Y parameter is the quality of the retroreflecting material used, i.e. the quality of the tape that is applied to the high visibility garments. At Port West we only use the top grade level 2 tape. To meet EN 471 the reflective tape must be at least 5 cm wide and it must encircle the torso, the sleeves or the legs. The tape cannot be broken by more than 50 mm, otherwise the garment will fail. A Class 3 garment is the best garment classification you can currently obtain under EN 471. Class 3 protection is required for anyone working on or near a motorway, dual carriageway or an airport. To meet the Class 3 requirement, there must be a minimum of 0.8 square meters of background material and 0.2 square meters of retroreflective material used in the garment. This translates to approximately 4 meters worth of 5 cm wide reflective tape per garment. A Class 3 garment would usually be a jacket, fleece or a vest with long sleeves. A Class 2 or an intermediate level EN 471 garment is required for any persons working on or near A and B class roads and also for delivery drivers. The garment must have a minimum of 0.5 square meters of background material and 0.13 square meters of retroreflective material, 2.6 meters of 5 cm wide reflective tape. Class 1 or minimum level protection is required for any persons working on a private road or to be used in conjunction with a higher class garment. For example, high visibility trousers with 2 5 cm reflective bands around each leg are Class 1, but become Class 3 when worn with a Class 3 jacket. A Class 1 garment must incorporate a minimum of 0.14 square meters of background material and 0.10 square meters of retroreflective material. That is 2 meters of 5 cm wide reflective tape. Quality and testing is essential when choosing any workwear, but even more so when looking for garments that comply with EN 471. What makes Port West unique is that we personally test every roll of reflective tape and fabric that goes into our products. This ensures that each garment is produced to the highest quality and is fully compliant to the relevant standard. There are lots of poor workmanship and poor imitations flooding the market. Our EN 471 garments are guaranteed to pass. We can give you copies of the certification to prove it. Certificates can be downloaded from the individual product pages at www.portwest.info. As members of the BSIF, the British Safety Industry Federation, it is our duty to monitor and report any non-conforming products in the market, a role we take extremely seriously. Non-conforming garments can cause accident and lead to potentially fatal accidents, so be sure you are offering legitimate goods. Port West offer one of the widest collections of EN 471 high visibility goods in the market and are constantly developing new and innovative safety solutions. All our goods are made to the highest quality and tested by